iMbila the Dassie by the Jungle Theatre Company.
Wamkelekile, welcome all. This is a story about why iMbila the Dassie has no tail. Kutheni iMbila ngenamsila. Xosi ngansomi.
Xosi nsomi ndaba zolwimi.
Bayete, oh bayete, kamata. 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 Bayete, oh bayete, kamata.
Long, long ago, ixesha lamandulo, before our world was created, there was nothing but darkness. From this darkness, our god, Kamata, was born.
Bayete, oh bayete, kamata. Bayete, oh bayete, kamata.
I am Kamata.
I am the spirit of fire, umlilo.
I am Kamata.
I am the spirit of earth, umhlaba. Solid, strong, firm. I am earth, umhlaba.
I am Kamata.
I am the spirit of water, amanzi, cool, flexible, flowing. I am water, amanzi.
I am Kamata.
I am the spirit of air, umoya. Soft, soothing, tempted I can be rough. I am air, umoya.
I am Kamata.
I am the spirit of fire, umlilo. I am bored, guys. We spend too much time together doing one and the same thing. This is boring.
You are right, Mlilo.
Unyanisile.
We are always stuck together. Now I'm desperate for something new.
Something new? I couldn't agree more.
Let's create something new to show off our power.
It was then that Kamata created our world as we know it.
This world is too dull and dark. I create sun to bring rays of warmth. Come alive and create light that will bring balance between light and darkness. Darkness, I will call you night. Light, I will call you day.
Wow, amazing work, Mlilo. You have a great trick up your sleeve. I will create rain to cool off the world.
Water, amanzi. Is it possible to let the water under the sky be in one place?
It is doable, with valid reasons, of course.
Well, too much wetness and moisture could cause drowning. You know what I mean? I want to bring about balance in our creation.
I will create an expanse between the waters to separate the water above from the water below. I shall call the expanse the sky, and the water below the seas.
Dry grounds, awake! Mountains, in Tabankulu, arise! I shall call dry ground land.
This land has lot of potential. Mhlaba, is it possible for you to add a legal color to complement the land? Oh wait, I have an idea. You know, if all of us can work together, we can create amazing things. For instance, Amanzi can work with Umhlaba to create vegetation and add life to this place.
I couldn't agree more, Imoya. Let the land produce vegetation, seed-bearing plants and trees according to their various kinds.
Bloom, bloom. Come rain, trees produce.
Oh, you have created a beautiful forest. I shall name it Ehlathini. But who would benefit from these produce?
Let the land produce living creatures according to their kinds.
The seas shall also be filled with living creatures.
Sky be filled with winged birds of many kinds.
Sun come into sight, bring warmth on the earth and help with photosynthesis, so the trees may produce more and more and more fruit. The sun will also help to govern the day. And the moon and the stars to govern the night. I shall create.
Enough now, but I do agree. Photosynthesis is important, but too much heat and warmth will cause terrible damage to the creation in general. Never mind, I shall provide winds to cool and soothe the creatures in the whole entire world.
Working together as one, we create life and the beauty of the entire world.
Amata lived among the clouds, high on the mountains called Ntabankulu. At the foot of Ntabankulu, there was a beautiful forest called Ehlathini. There lived many animals, but none of the animals had tails. iMbila the Dassie. Molo Ngonyama the lion. Molweni zilwanyane. The spirits of life, Amata, would sit and observe their creation. But one day they noticed something strange about the animals.
All these animals look alike from behind.
These animals do indeed look alike from behind. They could use a few accessories. I know. They need something to cover up their behind. What shall we call it?
Tails, imisila.
Yeah, wow, tails, imisila. Yes, the animals need tails.
But we can't just issue them tails. In this world, there is nothing for mahala. They need to come and do something for us so that they can receive their tails as a reward.
Most definitely. But what can they do? Huh? That one definitely needs a tail. Oh, let me see. This one needs a bigger one, I must say. In fact, every one of you should get tails. You're getting one, you're getting one. Everybody's getting a tail.
These animals should come here to Entabankulu and bow to us, sing to us, or even dance for us.
All the animals can showcase their talent. We can have a talent show.
Oh, sure. We definitely have to inform them.
Whom shall we use to give the message to the animals?
Cuckoo.
Chicken. Yako.
Pavum, pavum. Umvula.
Bunny. Mvundla.
After their discussion, the spirits chose the bunny, Mvundla, to be their messenger. Mvundla had an ancestral gift. He could feel and sense things no other animals could grasp. Indeed, Mvundla was the perfect match, as he was the connection between the living and the dead. Mvundla was in the forest at Latini, drinking water by the river, when she heard Amanzi calling.
I think the spirits are calling me. Ewe kamata. Haibo, there's no kamata here. Yo, I've lost it, I must say. Ndipambeni nyani. Can you hear that? Nandi Aiva. It's the spirits of Kamata. Oh, ewe Kamata. I have heard the calling. I shall be on my way to Itabankulu, the land of Kamata, as summoned.
Mvundla walked out of Etlatini, all the way up to the mountain. She climbed up and up into the clouds until she reached the land of the spirits, Ndabankulu.
Mvundla, we have noticed that we forgot something while we were creating you creatures.
We then decided to give you a message for the animals.
Oh, me Kamata. I am honored.
Tomorrow, all the animals must come here to Entabankulu. They are...
Tomorrow? Don't you think that is too short notice?
You are right, Nilo. Short notice indeed.
Okay then. Tell all the animals that in 7 days' time, okay? In 7 days' time, they must come here in Tabankulu to receive their final gifts from us.
Gifts? Izipo? What kind of gifts, if I may ask?
Don't be rude.
Oh, never mind the question. Thanks, Kamata. I will share the message with the other animals. But then again, what's in it for me? You know, in life, you work and then you get paid.
Before you go, we shall give you your final gift as an advance payment.
A tail. Umsila.
Oh! Haibo, what is happening?
To her surprise, Mvundla grew a fluffy white tail.
I feel stronger, oh so stronger. And kuti hoo, hoo, kuti hoo, hoo.
One more thing, Mvundla. Remember to tell all the animals, in order to receive their tails, they must showcase their talent.
Mvundla could not wait any longer to show off her tail to the animals. On her way back to eShlatini, she created a song just to make a good entrance.
Attention, all you creatures and beasts, right here is a place to be. Thought I told your animals, you better not mess with me. Shake the tail, sugar me some sila. Shake the tail, I'll show you what I'm working with. Shake the tail,
sugar me some sila.
Shake the tail, I'll show you what I'm working with. Under color and subtle, here is a black of this. Look at your dinner say, yeah, honey make me mostly. Oh, shake the tail, sugar me some sila. Shake the tail, show you what I'm working with. Shake the tail, sugar me some sila. Shake the tail, show you what I'm working with. Praise the
When Mvundla returned to eShlatini, Ngonyama the lion was the first to notice something different.
Yo. What is that on your palms, Mvundla?
It is a tail, Gunsila.
Where did you get it?
The answer to that will soon follow. I've been sent by Kamata to tell you that in 7 days' time, you must all go there.
Wow.
In Tabankulu, you'll receive your tails.
What?
In 7 days' time, we must all go there. In Tabankulu, we'll receive our tails. In 7 days' time, we must all go there. In Tabankulu, you'll receive our tails. In 7 days' time, we must all go there. In Tabankulu, you'll receive our tails.
Don't forget that in order for all of you to receive your tails, you must showcase your talents for Kamata and me. Go on now, off you go. There's no time to waste. You gotta practice. I shall warm up my voice so that when I sing to Kamata, they will be blown away. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
What is it with you? Don't you see you are making too much noise for nothing?
It is not for nothing at all, Mbila. Uyabo, siyazivocavoca, so that when the 7th day come, we are ready, Baba.
Ngonyama the lion had a secret talent for ballet, so he tried to practice when nobody could see him. But Mbila the Dassie was hiding and watching him.
Babam, 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 babam.
Oh my goodness. Ngonyama, is that the skill you'll be showing off?
Roar! Not at all. It was just a feeling that rose out of the blue. Such moves are for weaklings.
And you, Dassie, you keep on assessing and observing what everyone does. Which talent will you be showcasing?
For your information, it does not need to be practiced to be revealed.
Oh wow, iMbila! Ha! I can't wait to be blown away by you on the D-Day. In fact, I am looking forward to seeing your amazing work. iMbila, what is your talent? Oh wait, I don't have one because I'm iMbila at Dassie.
Miss Know It All, I do have a talent. I don't need to practice.
I'm already foreseeing it. I see iMbila. He stands in the presence of Kamata. He's about to perform. Then lightning strikes him. Ta! Oh well, it's over for iMbila the Dassie.
Husband, yasibanga isiqefe yas. I have a talent for storytelling, but I don't need to practice.
What are you gonna do? Hey?
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, iMbila? Come on, what are you gonna do?
Let go.
What are you gonna do?
Let go.
What are you gonna do?
Let go of me.
What are you gonna do?
Vundla, that's enough now. Just go away and allow us to resume with our practice. Ignore her, iMbila. Vundla likes to get under people's skin, that one. Are you ready, Mbuku?
I have so much talent. Just wait and see. And please, everyone, I don't want to be bothered until the 7th day.
All the animals were practicing their individual talents, except for iMbila, who was just hiding, thinking of an excuse so that he wouldn't need to climb to the top of Intabankulu.
Lalo unilo henzwap. I'm too cool for this. Mhlekazi ngonyama, kanti uhlekisa kanje.
Finally, the 7th day arrived. Ngonyama called all the animals to meet.
Now the time has come. We should be ready for our journey to Intabankulu.
Stop, please. Will you bring me a tail on your way back? I'm not feeling so well at all. I think I'm coming down with flu.
Don't worry, Dassie. We shall bring you your tail on our way back. You can go now and rest.
Thank you, Ngonyama. What a brilliant idea I came up with. Who has the time to walk all the way to Intabankulu? You?
Not me.
Definitely not you. You seem cool as I am. I can tell. I'm clever, ne? Don't you think? Them fools. Definitely fools. How foolish these animals are. Let me rest and enjoy my me time.
iMbila lay down to sleep under a tree, while the other animals climbed above the clouds to the top of Intabankulu.
Welcome all you creatures and beasts. Today is the day that we have made. We shall rejoice and be glad in it. For it is the day that we shall grant you all your final gifts.
Yes, the time has come for you all, my friends, to show off your talent and receive your rewards.
Mbogo, show us your talent.
Indeed.
ehlathi kuhlala izilwane ehlathini elikhulu ehlathi kuhlala izilwane awi mama we awi mama we.
Done, well done, marvelous, marvelous, Mpuku. Here is your gift.
Thanks, Kamata. Thank you.
Ngonyama, it is now your turn. Show us what you've got.
Eish, I don't have the talent, Kamata, man.
Ngonyama, you've been watching your ballet dance.
It's stunning.
You really think so?
Great talent.
Very well. With all your help, I can try. Everybody stand up. Let's do this together. Please stand up.
Me too.
Yes, you too. And all of you at home and school.
Put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in, and then you shake it all around. You do the hokey pokey dance, you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Great, great, great kids. You are dancing so nice.
Me too.
Yes, you too. And all of you at home and school, you are amazing. Let's do it again. Now do it with me. Put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in, and then you shake it all around. You do the hokey pokey dance, turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Great kids, great. You dance so well, nice.
Me too.
Yes, you too. And all of you at home and school.
Marvelous, marvelous, Ngonyama, and everybody who joined in. Here is your tale.
Roar!
Now that you have your final gift, go home and be merry.
Thank you, Kamata. We shall now be on our way home. Roar! Now that we got our tails, let's go home.
Ngonyama, Bila said we should bring him his tail.
Unyanisile. We should ask Kamata for Mbila's tail.
No. Why should we burden ourselves with Imbila's tail? If Imbila the Dassie wanted a tail, he was supposed to come here himself. But he was coming on, you know. Oh, how foolish you all are. Did you not see that Imbila was faking it? Come on. Imbila is just lazy. Ha! I am not going to burden myself with his tail. You will be stupid to do so too.
I agree with Mfundla. You should inform Umbila that if he wants his tail, he should come here at Ntabankulu.
We will do as you say, Kamata.
Ewe, sizokwenza njalo. Asambeni.
The animals climbed all the way down in Tabankulu, all the way back to their forest, Ehlatini, singing this song.
Msile monde munye abanye nawo bazozibona msile monde
buzzers bona. Tail for each one. You don't have, that's your problem. Tail for each one. You don't have, that's your problem. Msilu munde munde. Abange nawo buzzers bona.
Nibuyile.
Msilu munde munde.
Ala. Where is my tail? Yes, I'm waiting. Where is my tail? Guys, where is my tail? Stop! Where is my tail?
I almost forgot. Kamada told us that you need to walk all the way to the top of Entabankulu in order to receive your tail.
Entabankulu!
Thank you, Mpuku. Komyalezo. I'll be on my way.
Ow! Are you not sick anymore? I told you all, this one was not sick at all. Abange nawo buzzers bona. Msilu munde munye.
You don't have to rub it in my face. I should have known that Kamata will see right through me.
Imbila left the cool shade of the luscious trees in Ehlathini to make his way up the steep, hard rocks of Ntabankulu.
Bila, welcome to Ntabankulu. Oh, Kamata, our God. You are the...
Tula, keep quiet.
But here I am, Kamata. Dili niki, dili dlaga phambi kwenu. Imbila is here.
Oh, Mbila, the laziest of them all, huh?
I'm not lazy. I was sick.
Now you feel better.
Is lying your talent, Imbila?
Yes. No.
Liar, tail on fire. Oops, no tail.
No tail.
I'm sorry, I lied. It's just that the walk from Ehlathini to Ntabankulu is too far. And it's so long and it...
Imbila, the Dassie. Please rise up. Surely there's a lesson here. What do you think is the lesson?
I shouldn't be lazy.
And
I shouldn't lie.
And what else?
I should always listen to my elders.
Exactly. When we call you, you should come immediately. Don't hesitate.
I have learned my lesson. Now please forgive me.
Imbila, it is hard, but a lesson needs to be learnt. At least now you have learnt your lesson. But for the rest of the days and for the rest of your life, you shall walk this earth without a tail.
Oh yes, no tail, nothing, Luto. There he goes with no tail. There he goes with...
Moya, leave the poor animal alone.
Poor animal. That's a good one. He's poor because he's lacking a tail. Oh, ha, 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 ha.
Pull yourself together, Windy. You are embarrassing us. He has learned his lesson. He gets it now.
And so it was. I was left without a tail.
Imbila was left without a tail. Fantuka date, daughter made vandaag. Imbila yasheka inganamsila. Kwabanjalo nangoku kusenjalo nje.
So now when we walk on a mountain and we see Imbila lying in the sun lazing on a rock, we know why he has no tail.
Kwabanjalo nangoku kusanjalo nje, iMbila was left without a tail. Phela phela ngantsomi. The end.